This prayer may be the interruption your soul has been asking for, the quiet knock of heaven, reminding you that you are not forgotten, not late, and not alone. Dear God, I come to you not because everything is perfect, because you are. I come carrying thoughts I don't always say out loud, worries I smile through, and hopes I have been afraid to name. You already see them all. Nothing is hidden from you, yet you still invite me closer. Thank you for being a God who doesn't require performance, only presence. Lord, today I ask you to still my racing mind. There are moments when my thoughts run faster than my faith, when fear speaks louder than truth. Gently quiet the noise within me. Replace anxiety with assurance. Replace pressure with peace. Teach my heart to rest, not because life is easy, but because you are faithful. God, I thank you for the blessings I notice, and even more for the ones I don't. Thank you for the protection I never saw, the delays that saved me, the closed doors that redirected my steps. At times I thought you were withholding, when all along you were protecting. Forgive me for doubting your timing when it didn't match my expectations. Lord, I lift up every person listening to this prayer who feels tired in ways sleep can't fix, the ones who keep showing up even when their strength feels thin. Wrap them in your comfort. Breathe fresh life into weary spirits. Remind them that they are not weak for needing rest. Rest is holy, and you model it yourself. God, I ask you to realign my heart with yours. Remove desires that lead me away from peace and deepen the ones that draw me closer to purpose. Help me want what you want, even when it challenges me, even when it stretches me. I trust that what you design will always lead me into something better than what I could plan on my own. Lord, step into the areas of my life where I feel stuck, the unanswered prayers, the silent seasons, the waiting rooms where hope feels fragile. I declare that silence does not mean absence. Waiting does not mean denial. Even now, you are working behind the scenes, arranging details I cannot see. God, I place my future in your hands. Every relationships, every decision, every dream. Go before me and make crooked paths straight. Remove what is not meant for me, even if I am attached to it. And give me the courage to walk away from what feels familiar but no longer fits the life you are calling me into. Lord, guard my heart from comparison. Teach me to celebrate others without questioning my own journey. What you have for me will not miss me. What is delayed is not denied. Help me trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should, under your watchful care. God, I invite your peace into my home, my thoughts, my conversations. Let my words carry kindness. Let my reactions reflect wisdom. Let my life be evidence that you are near. When people encounter me, may they feel something different, not because of me, but because of you within me. Finally, Lord, thank you for never giving up on me, for loving me on my best days and staying close on my worst ones. Thank you that grace meets me again and again. Every morning, brand new. I choose to trust you. I choose to surrender. I choose faith over fear. I leave this prayer, knowing you have heard me. I rise from this moment lighter, steadier, and more hopeful than before. And I move forward believing the best is not behind me. With you, it is still unfolding. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen.